My eyebrows. So this eyebrow is an A+ student. She doesn't talk to boys. She's a good girl. She listens to her parents. She doesn't go out. This eyebrow is a rebel. She drinks, she does drugs, she goes out. She's only 16 and she's pregnant already. She's very troublesome. Maybe one day she'll grow up and settle down. But yeah, that's what I have to deal with today. Eyebrows. Hello beautiful people. So for today's look, I'm going to be using this gorgeous palette. This is the Carnival III palette from BPerfect Cosmetics in collaboration with Stacey Marie. And this is the palette inside. It's a beautiful, colorful palette. It's very pigmented, beautiful colors. They blend easily. My name is Mamushi, by the way. If you're new to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe, like this video, and leave a comment. And if you're interested to know how I achieved this look, then please keep on watching. Thank you. Somebody forgot to switch on the mic. At this point, I had already done my eyebrows and my eyeshadow base. For eyebrows, I used the ANASTASIA Beverly Hills Brow Wiz pencil in dark brown. And for eyeshadow base, I used the BPerfect Perfect Prime Eyeshadow Priming Base. As mentioned earlier, I'll be using the BPerfect Carnival III palette. And I will be focusing on the left side of the palette where all the different shades of greens are. I will be starting off with Key Lime, the lightest green, and I'll be using my Sigma E38 diffused crease brush. I'll be applying Key Lime all over my crease, and I'll be focusing on my crease line. In a few seconds, we will be going back to our regular programming, and the audio should be working. Thank you. I love this shade. So neon-y. I'm going to put it all the way to my inner corner as well. But focus it more on the crease. Just taking a clean brush. This is the ColourPop E2 brush just to blend out lime green here. Ooh, no girl. Key lime is not blending. That's a problem. Next, I'm gonna take the shade Reef and apply it all over my crease as well, from the inner to the outer part. By the way, this is my E33 Sigma brush. And I'll just blend it slightly lower than Key Lime. So I can see my eyeball bone, I want to say. So I'm just applying it just a little bit, all right on top of it. Hello, Reef. Make sure to blend in the inner part all the way to the outer part. Okay, I like how this is turning out. So far, so good. I'm gonna take the previous brush that I used to blend out Key Lime and just blend out the edges of Reef and add a little bit more of Key Lime so that I don't lose that color. Next, I'm taking Tropics, slightly darker green, and applying it over my crease again. But now with a more precise brush. This is my Sigma E42 Precision Firm Blender. Look at that tip. So I'll just pack on Tropics on the crease and then blend it after. I love how it's blending with the other greens so easily. Now I'm gonna take the previous brush that I was using for Reef. Just blend that out a little bit, just to get rid of the harsh lines. Now I'll do the other eye. As we get darker, I might even put a little bit of black in the crease just to make it dark. I'll do one more darker shade of green, and then if it's not dark enough for me, I'll use black. But very little. Have to be very careful when using the black. I don't know why this eye seems to be blending easier than this eye. Pretty eye. Again, I'll go back to key lime. Just blend on top. Yes. Now I'm gonna take Forest, this dark green. This is the darkest green, so if I'm happy with this, I'll use Black Beach. This shade right here, Black Beach. This is my Morphe M506. Now with the same M506 brush, I'm gonna take a little bit of the black, which is the Black Beach right here. Just a little bit. So what I'm doing is picking up the black, getting rid of it, some of it here. Yes, this is the color I was looking for. Going back to my ColourPop brush. Making sure that everything is blended out. I feel that every time I add a shade of green, my eyes become browner. Or is it just me? Now I'm gonna go back to my BPerfect eyeshadow primer and apply it just in the middle here, just to clean up the screen. It doesn't have to be precise. It doesn't have to be precise. It'll be a little bit messy because I don't want to lose all the green I have here. I'll show you how I'm going to do it. This is my Sigma E55 eye shading brush. Just blending out base, just cleaning up this area. I'm just going for a matte look, so there'll be no shimmers or anything like that. If you're enjoying my content, please don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. And also, if you like, you can leave a comment. So this is done. I'm gonna do the other eye and I'll be right back. Now I'm gonna take the shade Sand and apply it all over the lid, over the primer, just to set it and that it doesn't move. This is my MAC 252 brush. Next, I'm gonna go back to my Sigma E42 brush just to blend out the green nicely over the primer to get rid of any harsh lines. I haven't added any shadow or any color, just want to blend it out. For my eyeliner, I'm going to be using this. This is the Huda Beauty Lifeliner. I'm going to do a thick liner with a wing. that has an attitude. That's one eye done. I'll go to the other eye. Wish me luck, and I'll be right back. Second eye is done. This is the best I could do. It's okay, I guess. So now I'm gonna do the rest of my face. I'm gonna apply some foundation, some concealer, and I'll be right back again after that. So see you in... Done the base, then the foundation, concealer, and powder. Now I'll move on to my lower part of my eye. I'm gonna use the same shades I used on the upper part, but I'll just focus on the outer part and not do much on the inner part of my eye. So let's get started. So since we're starting with the dark shade, I'm gonna start with the eyeliner. This is my Bobbi Brown Longwear eyeliner pencil, and apply this on the waterline, but on the outer part. Show you what I mean. Just like that. And connect it to the top liner as well. I'm gonna take my ColourPop E10 brush and apply Forest. Forest is the darkest green shade, the one over here. Apply that on the outer part of my eye. Why just the outer part? Just like that. Why not? It's so pigmented, so beautiful. Link it to the top and voila. I'm gonna skip Tropics and go straight to Reef. And I'm using my Morphe E36 brush. And apply Reef under Forest. Ooh. Ooh. I'm definitely gonna apply key lime as well. So cute. Not me, but the look. Next, I'm taking my Karaja 8 brush and using key lime to apply under. I think for me the most difficult shade that I use today is key lime. It seems to have a mind of its own, which I don't appreciate. Come on, key lime, Yama, come on. Oh, okay, yes, I see what you're trying to do there. Sorry. It's done with the shadows. I'm gonna take my Sigma Inner Rim final touch for the rim. So I'm gonna focus it on the inner part of the lower part of the eye, on the waterline. Now I will take you swiftly through the rest of my face look. Take this shade, Sleek. For the lips, I'm gonna be using NYX Professional Matte Lip Liner. This is in the shade Cold Brew. Cold Brew. This is the pencil. I'm gonna use that as lip liner. Next, I'm taking the Huda Beauty matte lipstick in Staycation. This is the shade. And apply it in the middle of the lips. Now I'm gonna go apply some mascara and lashes, and I'll be right back with the final look. So lashes are done. This is my final look. I hope you enjoyed my video. If you did, please don't forget to like, subscribe to my channel, and leave a comment what you'd like to see next. Also, yeah, remember, don't hate, meditate. Thank you. Bye.